What's up, guys? Welcome back to Cousins Perfect 7BK. Today we're at Martin Nature Park, and we're just going to be giving a little tour. So it's basically a park where everyone can come and you can do social distancing. But we also like to come here in the summer. And one time we brought you, Kingston, to Martin Nature Park, and I know you loved it. Don't even say you hated it. And you find seashells right over there. And then I spent a lot of time. We found a lot of seashells. We even found a rock.
Jesse, don't move. Is there a snake?
No.
Don't move. Don't move. Okay, just kidding. Go ahead.
It was not even a snake.
It was a snake joke. Sorry.
Yep. Then, what is your favorite thing to do when you are at home during this coronavirus? Write it in the comments. And whoever gave Cousin Perfect 7BK 5 stars, that's your shout out. That's your shout out. Thanks for giving us 5 stars. We have never.
Take them down there and see what's down there. See if there's any turtles.
Okay, so this is like almost like where we kind of went, but it's not really where there's a little duck right over there.
There's a duck. Hold on, let me see if I can get him on camera. See if he gives us permission to record him. You see him?
And then that's where I got the seashells. Ooh, look! A shell. A pretty white shell. And then, this time we found a real shell.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'll keep on to that. Whoever gives us the next 5 stars, we will come here again.
Okay.
And make sure to write in the comments where would you want me to go the next time you want us to go? Crystal hunting, hiking at Red Rock, or just walking around our neighborhood or playing with our dogs. You guys get to decide which one we're doing. And here's a little view of everything. Like up and down the left, up to right.
Okay. Okay, we can't hear you. What did you say it was?
A big giant.
What is it?
A big giant plaything.
It's a tower.
A tower that we climb on, and I'll go climb on it right now. I'm gonna be climbing.
Okay. Watch out for people. Okay, go up top. Go. Okay. Wave. Okay. Okay, bring it down. Okay. Come on down. Okay, come down this way. Are you coming down this way? Are you coming down this way? Whoa. Are you sure you're coming down the cliff here? Okay, don't fall. Okay, don't come back up and I'll meet you up there. Okay, well stand up. Okay, don't fall and break yourself. That's like one way to come down.
That is one way to come down.
You might have burned a hole in your butt. Okay, don't go back up.
Now go back up and come back down.
No, Jesse, your pants are filth. Don't do that.
I want to go back up.
Okay, go back up. Hurry. Kingston doesn't want to look at your hiney. Don't mind her, crowd. She didn't poop her pants. That's not what that is.
Redo that. We have to redo it now.
Okay, don't touch that. Don't touch that. Don't touch that.